Good day. I am Virgilio Cuajunco Jr. I'm Master in Engineering, major in EC student of Cavite State University. We are now in Lesson 9, the Boolean operation of complete Autocad training course in 2D and 3D. So to begin with, for today's lesson, so we will be discussing Boolean operation. So we have the subtract, union, and intersect. So let us do this activity to understand how we use the subtract, the union, and the intersect. So let's go to the AutoCAD. So first, let us draw a rectangle. So from here, so let's try to draw a rectangle. Then let us draw a circle. Now let us use the command circle. So circle. Uh, wait, let us remove the snap. Let us draw a circle here. Then let us copy this circle, CP. Let's draw it here and another here. So enter. So we have here three circles in the box. So first, so this is our original. Let us copy this. So CP, copy, select the object. So let us select all these objects. So copy the selected objects. Enter. So let us use this as the base point. So we have it here, here, and let's try to intersect them. Enter. So first, to use this, we need to use the region command. So let us type region, rect, enter. So select the object. So from this point, we've selected the object, enter. So we have created the regions. So next, let us try to use the subtract. So we have SU. So as you can see, we have SU for subtract, enter. Just, no, let us not try to change this those all this our original figure. So let us also region this object. So from this point to here, enter. So we have created the region. So first, let us use the subtract, SU, enter. So let's say our original figure will be this three circle. So we have that three circle, then enter. Then I want to remove all that is occupied by the rectangle. So I've selected the rectangle, then enter. So that will be our figure. So we have the three circle minus the rectangle. So this is our uh, new figure. So as you can see, these three half circles are considered as one object because we have region them. So another. So let's region again our third figure. So from this uh, figure. So we'll region them. So from here, so this for objects. There's for object found. Enter. So we have created the region. Then this time we'll do the other way around. So we have a rectangle. Enter. Then let us subtract all this circle. Then enter. What happened? Wait. Let us do it again. So we have region. Enter. So our objects will be, and let us try to region it the other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. Let's try to region this object again. Region, rect, then this objects. So we have selected these four objects, enter. So I have created the four objects. So for objects created, now let us try to use the subtract command. SU. Select the solid objects region to subtract from. So this will be our original object. So subtract select objects. So enter. Then let us choose this one, the circle, and this. So we will subtract the selected object, enter. So that will be the result of our subtract. So in this first activity that we have done, we have the three circles minus the rectangle. So this is the output. Then on the second activity, we have the rectangle minus the three circle, and this is the output. So next, after the subtract, let us try the union. So as we can see, the output should be like this. So first the region, rect, then let us select the objects. So this is the different way of selecting them. So I'm just clicking in each object, then enter. So I have created a new region. Then this time we'll use the union. Uni for short. Enter. So we'll have this, this, the circle, and this one. Then enter. So we have this output, that the union of our figure of the three circles and the rectangle. Next, we have to try the intersect. So let us draw a rectangle, rect. Then let us draw a circle. Enter. So let's say we have a circle. Then let's try the intersect. IN. Enter. So, and this. Enter. Oh, First, we have to region them first again. So in Boolean, we have to use always the region for us to have the result. So this two figure, enter. So we have created a region. Then now let's us try to use the intersect, enter. So the intersects of these two objects, then enter. So that's the result of the intersection. Let's try another way, another intersection figure. So let's make a circle, then another circle, enter. So we have here circle, C for circle, and another circle. So this time, I will show you that this method won't work if we have an intersect of, let us try it. It will work. So in for intersect. So oh wait, I have to region it first. So region, enter. So I have this three figure, enter. Then now let us try to use intersect. In. So the intersection of the three circle. Let us try if this will work. So the result should be this area. So enter. So in the previous version of the AutoCAD, the intersects only is used in two figures. So now we can use it in a multi-figure intersection of the three circles, and we have this as the output. So after that, we have, well, that's all for the Boolean operation. I hope you have learned something for our today's lesson: the subtract, the union, and the intersect. Have a good day. Thank you for listening.